Chapter 5. Mendeleev was the first one to accurately organize the elements in a table based on increasing mass and similar properties. He left blank spaces where he predicted another element would go. In the periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows. These are called periods. All of the vertical columns are groups. Like Mendeleev's table, the elements in a group all have similar properties. All the elements are broken down into 3 classifications: metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. The majority of the elements on the periodic table are metals. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Many are ductile, some are malleable, and all, save mercury, are solid at room temperature. Alkali metals are elements with only 1 valence electron. If an element needs 8 valence electrons to become stable, then these are very unstable elements. They react powerfully with water, explosively so. Alkaline earth metals have 2 valence electrons. They are still unstable, but not as much so. Not all of them react with water either. Nonmetals are elements that are poor conductors of heat and electric current. Nonmetals have low boiling points, so many are gases at room temperature. Metalloids are elements that have properties in between metals and nonmetals. Its ability to conduct electricity depends on the temperature. Halogens each have 7 valence electrons. This means they are 1 away from being stable, making them highly reactive. Noble gases have 8 valence electrons, so they are extremely unreactive. They are colorless and odorless. Going back to atomic mass, an atomic mass unit, or AMU, is defined as 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. Because a carbon-12 atom has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, 1 AMU is about the mass of a proton. Because the different isotopes have a different number of neutrons, they generally all have different masses. So the mass of an element is determined on the average mass of all the isotopes for that element. In the next chapter, we will go over chemical bonds.